If I was to say to everybody right here, you know we couldn't get much higher. Oh, we better
stop singing. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop singing. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Yeah, what's that sound, baby?
Would you agree that something's happening here?
Yeah. Right here.
And I wouldn't say it's unclear. There's a revolution going on. And it's been going on since Martin Luther King. It's been going on since way back when way back when
way
back when the first humans realized the power of sound and word, music, silence. And we gotta get back to that garden.
The garden of sound.
We be in the church of sound. Love is all around. We be in the church of sound. Love be all around. We be in the church of sound. The Crystal Acres is all around. We be in David's church of sound. The good vibes are all around. And I'm just talking about the Love Burger.
Yeah, baby. The burger's full of love.
Yeah, yeah. One more time for the stars, for the moon, for the people, for everything. That is, yes, as E. Cummings said, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Here we go. We better stop.
Stop.